Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Wrangler versus Jeep Compass. The Wrangler is built for serious off-roading, featuring a rugged body-on-frame construction and advanced four-wheel drive systems. Conversely, the Compass is designed for more comfortable on-road experience, making it ideal for city driving and daily commutes. Your choice depends heavily on whether you prioritize extreme trail capability or everyday practicality and comfort. When it comes to performance, the Wrangler often boasts more powerful engine choices, including V6 and even V8 options, perfect for tackling challenging trails. The Compass, however, prioritizes fuel efficiency, frequently delivering around 30 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a more economical choice for longer trips. Both offer four-wheel drive, but the Wrangler's systems are engineered for more extreme off-road conditions. Inside, the Wrangler embraces a more utilitarian design, often with washable interiors and drain plugs, perfect for muddy adventures. The Compass provides a more refined and modern cabin, equipped with advanced infotainment systems and comfortable seating for everyday use. While both offer decent cargo space, the Wrangler's removable doors and tops provide unmatched open-air versatility, transforming your driving experience. Considering value, the Wrangler typically has a higher initial purchase price, but often maintains excellent resale value due to its iconic status. The Compass is a more accessible option, with starting prices often around $29,000, offering great value for its features. Ultimately, your ideal Jeep depends on your lifestyle and priorities. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.